Welcome to English class. Today, we will learn about Module 1, Welcome. Topic, What's the time? You can also see this topic in your Get Smart textbook. Now, let us start. Okay, we will start from the basic one about time. Do you see the red arrow over here and the blue arrow? Okay, the red arrow is longer than the blue arrow. For the longer arrow, I want you to call it as long hand. Long hand. For the blue arrow, we call it as short hand. Short hand. Alright, if you see the long hand is at number 12, you should use o'clock. If you see the long hand at number 12, you should use o'clock. Alright, then what should we fill here? Look at the short hand. It is at number 1. So you write 1 o'clock. If the short hand is at number 2, then we write 2 o'clock. What if the short hand is at number 5? We still write as 5 o'clock. As long as the long hand is at number 12, we use o'clock. Alright, let's proceed. Okay, let's look at the long hand. It is at number 12. So we should use o'clock. Right now, you see the short hand is at number 1. So you write here 1 o'clock. 1 o'clock. You can also write as 1 a.m. for morning and 1 p.m. for afternoon, evening or night. Okay? Okay, for this one, the long hand is still at number 12, so we use o'clock. And the short hand is at number 3, so we use 3 over here. 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock. You can also write as 3 a.m. for morning and 3 p.m. for afternoon, evening, and night. Okay, this one, the long hand is still at number 12, so we use o'clock. While the short hand is at number 6, so we say 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock or 6 a.m. or 6 p.m. Okay, let's look at this one. Both the arrow is at number 12, but okay, the long hand is at number 12, so we still use o'clock, and the short hand is at number 12, so we put number 12 here. 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock. Alright, now we look at the long hand. It is at number 6. Just now the long hand is at number 12, but now it's at number 6. If the long hand is at number 6, we should use half past. Half past. So what should we write here? Which number? Is it 1 or 2? Okay, we write 1. Okay, look at the short hand. It is between 1 and 2. So what number should you take? You should take number 1. Okay, which is the number before the arrow. Okay, it becomes half past 1. If the short hand is in between 2 and 3, you should say half past 2. Okay, now let us look at the long hand. It is at number 6, so we use half past. And the short hand is between number 2 and number 3. Like I said just now, we should take the number before the arrow. So the number before the arrow is number 2. So we should say half past 2. Half past 2. Okay, next one. The long hand is at number 6, so we should use half past. And then you look at the short hand. It's in between 7 and 8. But like I said just now, we should take the number before the arrow, which is number 7. So it becomes 7:30. Next one. Okay, the long hand is still at number 6, so we still use 30:30. Okay, look at the short hand. It's between number 12 and number 1. So the number before the short hand is number 12. So it becomes 12:30. 12:30. You understand? Very good. Now, we will do one activity, which is I will say the time and you will use your finger to point to the correct clock. Okay, number 1, I want you to point to 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock. Which one is 6 o'clock? Yes, very good. This is 6 o'clock. Alright, now I want you to point to 11:30. 11:30. Which one is 11:30? Yes, it's this one. Now I want you to find which one is 9:30. 9:30. Yes, it's this one, the clock with the heart shape. Now I want you to point your finger to 1 o'clock. 1 o'clock. Yes, it's this one. Very good, everyone. Now, don't forget to do your assignment and homework in Google Classroom. Bye. Thanks for watching.